For baby to sleep, Elton ordered a new mattress with a mosquito net. Of course, you need it in Goa with all the mosquitoes that are roaming around. Baby was so happy being in it and sleeping in it. Soon I took her to show my parents. Let's go.
गोंया पावसनू पयलीं फ्लिपकार्टाचे हांवें रिक्लायनर चेअर आनी बेबी लागून ते नेट ऑलरेडी ऑर्डर करून दवरलें नेट किमसा लागून आनी रिक्लायनर चेअर ते दोना बुशू बेबी दूध ते दोना तेगे बॅका लागून सामकें बरें पडटा. रिक्लायनर चेअर आल्टे बरें हा बट तेक प्लेस करपाक 2 मनीस लागताय.
सारखे दोरा हा मातशें सारखे कोर मरे कितें रे का तूं डिलिव्हरी करपाक. After my delivery in the UK, I did not get proper oil massage because it's very difficult to find someone over there. So once I came in Goa, my auntie and my mother called Kamla, who used to give me bath and oil massage as a baby. Thank you, Justin Chamama, for calling Kamla. आणि एक चय सुसेग लागना तेका कितें व्हिडिओ काटा हांव प्रेग्नंट ना बिश्ने फोकान कोता तेगेली. It feels so relaxing after the oil massage and a hot water bath. Stay tuned for the next vlog.
Every day is a good day.